Kailan ka kukuha ng pera sa isang negosyo? Pag may sobra na. Pero hindi ko pwede kunan siya para tulungan yung isa. Kasi kailangan niya yun. I always buy based on abundance. Let me explain this by sharing with you a simpler story. Meron akong Viber community called Keeper of His Garden. Many years ago, there was this person who asked, may nakita ka magandang damit, pero wala kang perang pambili. Babudgetan mo ba yan? Meaning, utangin mo, tapos dahan-dahan. So, of course, may sumagot. Financial advisor eh. Hindi, dapat, huwag kang bibili, wala kang pera. Di ba? May isa sumagot, sabi niya, pag gusto ng misis ko, maski wala akong pera, bibilihin ko yan. Happy wife, happy life. So my daughter asked me that evening, sabi niya, ikaw Papa, what will you do? During the time, sabi ko, I do not buy based on want. I buy based on abundance. What do I mean? May magandang damit, pero wala akong pera. Hindi ko titingnan yung damit na yan. Wala naman akong pera. Di ba't ko titingnan? Di ba?
Last of the ice.
So, anong gagawin ko? Mag-iipon ako. Pag may sobra na ako, nakakita ko ng damit, ba't pa natin pag-iisipan yan? May sobra naman ako. Most of the time, gusto ko siya. Suhulugan ko. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, mahal yan. Because you are spending money you have not yet earned. So, yung damit na gusto mo, ang retail price niya, 200 pesos, at the end of the day, 250 na yan kung inutang mo. Mas mahal siya. So, I buy based on abundance. Pag may sobra, huwag na natin pag-isipan yan. May sobra naman. Yung iba kasi binabudget nila. Budget ang travel, budget ang damit. Pero those are principles sa industry nyo, ganun, di ba, Turo? Budget your spending. Ako, I'm an entrepreneur, I do not do that. Kasi ako naman, Julie, hindi ko alam anong mangyayari. Even if I budget that, tas konti na lang, paano pag nagkaroon ng problema? Masisira yung budget ko. So, hintayin ko lang kung may sobra ako. I spend based on abundance, not based on need.
Nakatulong ba sa iyo ang video na napanood mo? Kung natulungan ka, I'd like to ask you a small favor. Sana you will subscribe to the channel or even click the like button because when you do so, YouTube will share my channel to more people. I wish I could make more videos that will help people understand how to live their lives better and become fruitful. So tulungan mo naman ako by subscribing to the channel. Salamat ha.